Okay, so there are just a couple examples I encourage you to read over. The reason I wanted to go ahead and print this out is go ahead and read over again the handout that I gave you today. Read over this chapter especially. Now, one of the things that they suggest is that you begin working on some suggested memory verses. So turn to page 36 and 37. Again, this can be like the 100 topics, and you look at this and go, oh my goodness, how am I going to learn 42 scriptures? I think that's how many that are here. Here's what I want to do. I looked through all of these, as well as the topics. They're all excellent, but I pulled out what I think are about like the 15 or 16 that would be really foundational, that I would encourage you to learn. So if you could mark up, turn to page 36 and 37 in your handout, and if you would mark up these scriptures, or at least put a little checky mark by them, okay? Because I think these are some of the key ones, all right? All right. You there, Emily? Okay. The first one, Genesis 1:26, I checked that one. Ecclesiastes 3:11 is another excellent one. I mean, all of these are excellent, but those are some ones I think that you'll use time and time again. Malachi 3:6, Matthew 22, I would include 36 and 37. Then John 1:1, and it says John 1 through 2, and 14 and 18. Certainly verse 14 is key. John 3:3, John 3:16 through 18. Okay. John 8:58, John 10:30, Romans 3:23. It's kind of the Romans road. Romans 3:23, Romans 5:8, Romans 6:23. Okay? Yes. Okay, I'm about done. Ephesians 2:8 and 9. 1 Timothy 2:5. 2 Timothy 3:16 and 17. And then Hebrews 4:15 and 16. All right, so if you would go ahead and do those. Hopefully next week we will have the silver books for everybody. Look for emails. I may go ahead and because of time, assign everyone in here one topic to be working on, one card for next time. Matter of fact, I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. So we can do that a couple of different ways, but I thought perhaps the easiest would be to look at that 100 list and just kind of number off together. So that was on page what? Somebody tell me what page that was on? Page 12. All right. Okay, so notice it has definitions 1 through 15. How many of us are in this room right now? How many students? Okay, I tell you what. Graham, we'll start with you. Why don't you take number 1? Okay, Josh, would you take number 2? Walker, would you take number 3? Okay, CJ, you've probably already done this, but put number 4. Okay, number 5, and what's Adam, thank you. Adam, number 5. Abigail, did you get number 6? Emily?
Number 7.
Number 7, okay. Brittany, would you get number 8? Okay, I mean Caroline, sorry. Elizabeth, thank you. Can you get number 9?
I'm a virtual girl.
And you're a virtual. Okay, you get number 10. All right, so go ahead and give your best shot. Definitions, illustrations, look at the examples that are there. And so that's your one assignment for next week, will be to go ahead, review what we talked about today, and then prepare one card and bring it with you. Yes?
Bible memory, our family has always done that in the King James Version. Does it matter?
It really doesn't matter.
Okay.
No. Whichever you feel most comfortable, and if you learned it in one, I would stick with that one. Okay? Great. Thank y'all for being here, and we will see you next week. And next week we'll get into the funner material.
Thank you.
Okay?